Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. It's filled with lighter tears and condolences, unforgettable moments. I am so grateful to write this story with you. Every chapter is more beautiful than the last. Our love is a narrative of true company shape, a testimony to what it means to find your soulmate in this first world. You are my heart, my souls, my treasure, my today, my tomorrow, my forever, and my everything. In you, I have found my true partner, my best friend, and the love of my life. Together there's nothing we cannot achieve. Your love fills me with strength, your partnership gives me patience, and your princess make me everything right in my world. Life our offers many choices to make, but loving you is the only thing I wish to do. I want to spend me interior excitance showing you how much you have impacted my life. Hand in hand, I will prove to you that my life is better with you in it. For the escape for our I am ready to face whatever it makes to me. Make smile all time. I will be love you until united. I am no more because your love is my greatest wealth. Love is not something that you can express in word. Love is something that is expressed by actions and felt with the heart. I do not know how much loved I make you feel, but trust me, dear, you are the most precious thing in my life. I love you with each drop of a tear is costal than anything in world, but no one can say it is value. United the have it in their own eyes for as someone. If every there is tomorrow when we are not together, there is something you must always remember. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. But the most important things is even if we are apart, always be with you. Happiness is always within reach whenever you are around. With you, there's no sicknesses, no so sure. And I am want you to know that I am pleased to have you in my life just as much as I am glad to call you mine for every. I love you forever. My angle, our love is extraordinary, and there is no other love like our in the world. I feel as if I have won the world lottery with you. Someone how is so unique and Michael's how makes me my love, my life, and my world a thousand times better just by being there. When I looked at you, I know that I have indeed hit the jackpot. All you have to do from my hair is to be the loving, caring person you are. Together we can do to do so much and help each other realize our dreams because we are all have a special love. Ever since I got to divorcate, it has been very hard for me to find someone who truly loves me and cares for me. Everyone I came across with is after my fame and many. I honestly need honest and genuine love. I need someone who troll I love and can sacrifice anything for our love because of my me, not because of my money or fame. I really believe that there are still good women out there, and I hope to find the right woman that will really understand me. If you troll love me and you are sure message me. I do not want any woman to hurt me. I wanted to take the time to tell you just how much you mean to me. You will become a rock in my life, something solid and secure I am can lean on. Conveying you are by my side makes me so internally grateful. I can heartily put it into words. I hate felt happiness before, but nothing prepared me for the happiness I feel when I am with you. I do not know what I said you ever did that made me lucky enough to deserve you, but will be spend the rest of my life trying to be the best man I can be so that you can be proud. Thank you for all that you do and have done for me. You have taught me that it is to I love you, showing me how beautiful can be. And the for my channel for please subscribe.